The Phalanx certainly don't waste any time at Alton Towers. The official track and supports for Nemesis has arrived at Alton Towers and as we speak are being erected and installed at the Nemesis site. So with all that said, let's get straight into the video and take a look at all the latest updates from Nemesis. It was only yesterday that I posted an update on Nemesis talking about the brand new track and design for the track of Nemesis. However, today more images and videos have circulated online and we can actually see that the track and supports for Nemesis have arrived at Alton Towers and are actually being installed. So firstly, literally I posted it last night and literally about an hour after I posted it I saw these images of truckloads of track and supports at Alton Towers. You can see there in the images the Phalanx lorry there with the track and supports on the back of it, and I've really got to say Alton Towers has done a smashing job with the marketing for this. You can see above the Mercedes logo, the Phalanx logo, which is quite nice. Only the best lorries at Alton Towers, Mercedes branded. But yeah, this is so good to see the track on site, ready to be installed at Alton Towers. Of course, we can't actually see the track because it's been wrapped up in what looks like cellophane or I don't know, bin bags or something. But yeah, hopefully it won't be too long until that track is actually put up and we'll be able to see it in person erected over at the Nemesis site. But in this picture here you can see a wide view of the Nemesis track, and on the lorry it does look like this track is from the loop of the ride. It's hard to sort of picture it together when the track's not in a full circuit layout, but it does look like that track section is from the top of the loop potentially. But yeah, overall it's great to see the track on the Nemesis site, and if talking of the Nemesis site, let's actually go over there because the supports are starting to be loaded into the site. But not only that, they've actually installed some of the supports already. I mean, how crazy is that? The Phalanx certainly aren't messing around about this project. Literally yesterday I was reporting the brand new track colour in the promotional images that Alton Towers released, and then literally last night the lorries arrived to Alton Towers and they've already installed some of the supports. How quickly are they getting this job done? Like wow, I think the Phalanx team need to head over to Thorpe Park and get Colossus done. But yeah, here's a little look at the site then, and you can already see that on the final turn of Nemesis, just before you head into the brake section, they've already installed 2 of the many supports of Nemesis, which I mean is just astonishing. It's crazy at the rate of progress that the team are making on Nemesis. 2 supports already erected, and it was only last night that the track was arriving. Wow, this is really incredible. But you can see there, here's a closer look of those supports, and you can see they're sort of like a shiny black color, sort of contrasting what Nemesis used to be. It was sort of like a grey worn out color. However, things have to change, and I'm loving the new supports for this. I really like the new colour scheme of Nemesis. I think it gives it a new lease of life, and rather than sort of going with the original Nemesis track colour and support colour look, I think by doing this it really separates the 2 Nemesis. Of course you've got the original one and the reborn one opening in 2024, because it is Nemesis Reborn essentially, and of course it's going to look newer. But yeah, I really like the new colour scheme. I think the rate of progress that Alton Towers are making with this is fantastic. Of course, heading over quickly to the viewing platform before I end this video, that's actually open literally today as of Wednesday the 26th of April. You can go up there, have a little look over the Nemesis construction site, get some fantastic views. There's like a little TV screen as well with like all Phalanx branding on it. So we'll be back there at Alton Towers on Saturday doing a fully dedicated Nemesis vlog. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that, because that will be just a dedicated vlog to all the latest construction of Nemesis. Because really I like doing these videos and it's great to quickly record one. However, you can't be getting down to the official Alton Towers site to go and look at all the latest Nemesis updates actually in person and see that. Alongside that, later in the week as well, I'll be also checking out the Festival of Thrills event at Alton Towers and seeing whether it's really worth a visit. There have been a lot of negative reviews, so I'll go and see that for myself in a few days time. But with all that said, if you did enjoy the video, do consider subscribing. Plenty more vlogs and videos along the way for you. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section down below. I put a poll out recently saying whether you prefer the original Nemesis track colour or the new Nemesis track colour, and around 80% of you said you like the new Nemesis track colour, which is great. I like sort of changing and adapting, because things can't always stay the same, and I think it's great that Alton Towers are moving along with Nemesis, keeping a lot of the backstory, however changing it, and I think that's a theme that we're going to see throughout the construction of Nemesis. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, and with all that said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.
You are under surveillance.